Everyone wants to improve their life, but what people don't realize is that them setting out on this extravagant conquest that they want to go on to change their physical life sometime in the future is not the best way in order to do so. In this video, we're going to talk about the one thing you can do right now that's completely free, that anybody can do, that will have the greatest impact on your quality of life. And to dive into this, first of all, everybody who wants to improve your life, you want to improve your circumstances, you sure can, and that is what you should do. We are built to make progress, but the thing is, when you are achieving those different circumstances, when you are getting new results, you have that business, you have that relationship, no matter what it is, those things do not actually necessarily change the main factor that is determining if you are actually going to have a satisfactory and enjoyable life at all. So what is the main thing that needs to be done in order for anybody right now to improve their quality of life? It is simply to realize that your suffering or your pain is simply being derived from the thoughts that you are thinking within this present moment. Whether it's thoughts that you're thinking about your past or worries that you have about your future, what I want you to realize is that those things, when you combine it with this sense of time, it feels like reality, but they are simply thoughts arising within the present moment. That suffering, that regret, that anxiety, no matter what you are feeling that is negative, that you think you need to go on this conquest within your life and change your physical circumstances to navigate and to overcome, that is simply arising within your mind via thought. So instead of just waiting for some time in the future in order for you to feel better, whole, secure, joyful, grateful, no matter what it is, what we can realize is that all of those things I just listed can occur right now because they occur simply by you thinking about them. So what we need to do instead is realize that you can't actually do something now in order to feel a certain way in the future. The best approach that you could possibly take right now is for you to be able to be present, for you to enjoy what you have in life, for you to be able to feel confident and love yourself, because when you do that, then those physical circumstances that you want to work towards are much more likely to happen because you will actually believe in yourself. You will actually be optimistic about what you can do and what's going to work out for you. So what we can do is realize that, first of all, that mental suffering that you're trying to overcome, and you're placing some sort of vision out into your future about if your circumstances were a certain way, then you would be able to navigate and overcome these negative ideas that you have about yourself and your life. What we can realize is that right now, in this present moment, always this present moment is the one and only opportunity for you to, first of all, be present and witness the thoughts that you're thinking, because those are the things that were causing you so much pain. Witness this idea that you are not where you want to be. We feel that as reality when we are simply identified with those thoughts, but what we can do instead is we can simply become aware of those thoughts, and you'll realize that you've been attached to this sense of self and this sense of reality and what your future is going to look like and what your past's been like for so long, and it's felt like your actual life. But I want you to realize that this present moment is your life. You may be able to think about those things. That does not necessarily mean that is your reality. So we can simply become more aware. We can watch these thoughts arise. We can experience the emotions that they bring to us, but we don't need to latch onto them. And in fact, it is impossible for you to latch onto them simply because every single thought that you think arises and falls within your mind automatically. So realize that the greatest thing that you can do to dramatically change the trajectory of your life is simply to be present. To realize that all of this mental suffering that's been taking place is not necessarily due to your present moment reality. Sure, things have happened to you in the past, and sure, there are problems that you may need to figure out in the future. What we can realize is that all of that is simply arising within this present moment, within your mind. Now, that is something that you can handle. That is something that you can just witness and not allow it to have its grasp and original hold that it would normally have over you. So moving forward, realize that you have this power, not just to think up this amazing reality, whether it's good or bad, right? It is vivid. You have this ability to remember things and to have these memories that feel so real, whether they're good or bad. You have this power inside of you to be able to manufacture this sense of life, this sense of time, and the way that you manufacture that, from switching it from negative to positive, is going to immediately improve your quality of life, and it's going to improve how you move throughout the world.